Hey y'all, hey. Today we are reading I'll Teach My Dog 100 Words.
Mommy, you can don't there right here.
I'll teach my dog 100 words.
Look, I want to talking dog.
The first 6 words I'll teach my pup are dig a hole and fill it up.
Why won't big dog curl up?
I'll teach him walk and run and then catch a ball. Now that makes 10. And Mr. Smith, who lives next door, will say, "That's great. Can you teach him more?" Can you please stop playing with it? And then I'll teach him bark and beg and wag your tail and shake a leg and wash your ears and wash your toes and scratch your head and blow your nose. Then Mr. Smith will tell Miss Brown, "This is the smartest dog in town."
If I walk it and step off and get ice cream.
I won't stop there, no, not at all. I'll teach him big, I'll teach him small, and fat and thin and short and tall.
What about one?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And dark and light and day and night. Okay. And then Miss Brown will call Miss May. "Come over right away," she'll say. "This dog is learning chase the cat and climb the tree and things like that. Then we will have them more to see. Eat your food and follow me." Wow, we're up to 43.
Mommy, I just hurt my death.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I'll teach him red and blue and green, the smartest dog we've seen. I'll teach him orange, purple, pink. That makes 49, I think. And then Miss May will call Mayor Mir. She'll call, "Please hurry over here." I was reading, what'd you say? And then for Mr. Mir, the mayor, "I'll teach my dog, now paint the chair. Paint the road from here to there. Paint Uncle Abner's underwear. But have a care, don't paint the mayor."
You didn't paint that and that. And paint the, and him about to paint the road.
Yeah, he about to paint the road.
And him about to dip.
Yep. Then Mr. Mir, the mayor, will say, "I'll make today a holiday, and everyone will come to see my amazing dog and me. We'll show them, skate, and kick the stone. Jump the fishbowl, bring the bone, chew the boot, and hold the phone."
Hold the bone and eat that and run. And they broke it.
"Cut the grass, shine my shoe, comb your hair, and clean the zoo. Now brush the bear." That's 82, but that's not all my dog will do.
The doggy bought out and made notice and bed by wake up.
I don't think so. He'll tickle the pig and kiss the goose. He'll feed the mouse and mop the moose.
And
He'll toot a bugle, beat a drum. He'll stand on Uncle Abner's thumb. And then I'll teach him, sing with the birds. Now there, that makes 100 words. My dog will learn those 100 words and how my friends will cheer. I'll teach my dog those 100 words. think I'll start next year. The end. I'll teach my dog 100 words.